Okay, so we're going to research in the Lexis Advanced app, and I'm doing this to emphasize not that I'm hip and cool and modern, which I'm obviously not, but to emphasize that the process of research is the same no matter what interface you're using. That process is we're going to focus on just codified law. Even though we're going to be inundated with a lot of info, we're going to focus just on codified law. And then I'm going to show you the process of going from codified law to binding precedent. Okay, so I'm going to tap on search here after putting in parity. And you see how that gets us to cases? Well, we want to tap on that and choose statutes and legislation. We need to focus on what we need at step 2 in the research process. We get our results here, and I'm going to scroll down. This is like a film strip. I'm scrolling. You can't see it, but I'm scrolling. And I've scrolled down here to number 13, and this is our fair use statute, and parity falls within fair use. So I'm going to tap on number 13 here. So that pulls up our fair use statute. We saw this before actually when we Googled it. So now at this point you would study the statute, study the entire Copyright Act, make sure we're not missing anything. But then I want to show you how we can get to the next step of the research process, which is look for binding precedent. And we do that by scrolling down, down. We get to case notes. And these are the cases that have interpreted our statute. Okay, so look at section 17 there. It deals with parity. All of the awesome, lovely Lexis research nerds sitting in their cubicles, they get cases as they come out and they attach them to these statutes. So anyway, there was Campbell, Leibowitz, SunTrust. We've seen a lot of these before, so we're not getting anything new, but I just want to show you how you would find them. And then I scroll down more here, and here's section 20, songs that are parodies. I mean, this is right on point. And again, there's Campbell, Fisher versus Dees. We've seen that. There's Bourne. We also have seen that on other videos. Okay, so you get the point. When you're researching codified law, focus just on codified law. And then secondly, you want to click on case notes if you're in Lexis Advanced, or notes of decisions if you're in Westlaw Next, to get from codified law to precedent. Okay? All right. Okay, I'm going to have a little help here to send us out with my 2-year-old daughter, Daphne. Here she is.
I see you in a robot.